Floods have already hit Bangkok since Monday as torrential rain poured into the city. Furthermore, the heaviest wave of downpour led to around 16 centimeters of rain battering the city in 24 hours. Fortunately, the situation in most areas have improved. In light of this, authorities have used sandbags to fence riverbanks and prepared water pumps at drainage tunnels. Moreover, they have placed military trucks on standby to transport commuters who are affected by flood. If rainfall levels remain high, many areas will become vulnerable as it can take hours to drain flood water to the already swollen river.
ถ้าคนออกมาทำงานลำบากก็อยากให้หน่วยงานเนี่ยพิจารณาว่ายืดหยุ่นเข้าสายได้บ้างและหรือถ้า work from home ได้เนี่ยมันก็จะทำให้การแออัดบนถนนเนี่ยลดลง
Seasonal monsoon rains have caused many areas to be inundated when the remnants of tropical storm Noru swept through parts of the country last week in September. Furthermore, the Thai Disaster Prevention and Mitigation Department said at least more than 41,000 households in 22 provinces are still affected by floods, although conditions have improved in several cities like Chiang Mai. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Prayuth Chan-o-cha visited the provinces of Khon Kaen and Ubon Ratchathani in northeastern Thailand to meet with residents who were evacuated after the Moon River overflowed last week. While he was there, the Prime Minister promised to provide aid and compensation to the displaced crowd.